Hello everyone, if you're trying to play GTA 5 and you keep getting this error, game error, please reboot and restart the game with the error code Error GFX STATE. Then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on your game easily. So first off, I'll show you how to fix it on an AMD card, and after that I'll show you how to do it on an Nvidia card. You're going to right click on your desktop, go into AMD Software Adrenaline Edition, you're going to go into Performance, you're going to go into Tuning, and you're going to make sure this is set to default here and not custom or any overclock. Just set it to default. And now for Nvidia, you're going to right click on your desktop, go into Nvidia control panel, and then you're going to go into help, and then you're going to make sure debug mode is turned on. And once you turn on debug mode, now you're going to go into your GTA's directory. You're going to right click on your GTA 5, go into properties, go into compatibility, make sure disable full screen optimizations is turned on. So just turn it on. Do the same here, and then do the same here as well. And after that, what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that you don't have any overlay applications running in the background. So any applications like Discord's overlay or MSI Afterburner, Corsair IQ, anything like that, you're just going to close those overlay applications. And now you can try to play your GTA 5 and you'll see that you will not get that GFX state error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.